Lesson 4. Sound of vowel E. When vowel E comes between two consonants, it has the sound of E, as in hen. Read the words aloud and note their sounds. Jet, key, bell, hen, pen, net. Phonic drill. Den, fed, wed, neck, led, let, keg, well, get, leg, beg, fell, beg, set, bet, bell.